Are you learning Arabic? If so, I'm going to tell you about one of the best free resources online to learn Arabic. So let's go. All right, everyone. So here is the amazing free Arabic resource I was talking about earlier. It is called Playling, and you just go to playling.com, and this will be the home page. So the first thing that you notice is that there are a ton of videos that you can choose from, and the nice thing is that there are some video filters. So you can filter by difficulty, novice, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, dialect, which is the best part. Because as we know, if you are learning a dialect of Arabic, it's quite difficult to filter and find videos specifically for our dialect. You have Egyptian, Levantine, Gulf, North African, Darija, Modern Standard, Educated Spoken, and other. You can also filter through content. So if you want to watch a specific type of video, you can choose that from here, from history to comedy to everyday life and others. And you can also filter by popularity, newest and oldest. So we're gonna do a search. So I'm gonna just click for beginner videos, and I am learning Egyptian Arabic. So I'm gonna click Egyptian here for dialect. And then we're gonna see what pops up. So as you can see, for each video, you have the title, and then it tells you the type of Arabic that is spoken. So here you see Mosri, Egyptian, beginner level. Even here, sometimes foreigners share their favorite Arabic word, this video. You can see here that even some videos have multiple dialects. So this one has Levantine, Egyptian, Darija, and Gulf, and it's also beginner. I'm just gonna click on the first video here, a normal day. And as we can see, the video pops up. I'm going to click the play button right here in the middle. And here's one of the best parts. You can watch and listen to this video without any captions, but if you're like me, you might need the captions. So I'm going to click play. Okay, now I'm going to click pause. Go to the settings here and click English and transcription. Here I paused at a certain part of the video and I clicked both on transcription and English. So as you can see, we have the captions both in Arabic, or Egyptian Arabic in this case, and in English. And this is the best part. If I can hover my mouse over the Arabic part of the captions, and it will tell me what things mean, which is amazing because, sometimes you don't know what word means what because the word order in Arabic and Egyptian Arabic can be different from the word order and grammar structure in English. So here, even it says woke up. So it's the past tense of to wake up here. Washed, wish, ye. And this is nice too, is that there are some grammatical structures that aren't like necessarily words. But here, this ye may be translated as the possessive my, and it kind of gives you a description of this grammatical component, which I think is so awesome, especially for Arabic and just like anyone learning languages. So it's really amazing. Another nice thing is that you can control the speed of the video. So maybe if you want to practice your listening comprehension and see how much you can understand, but maybe in the video they're speaking too quickly, you can slow it down up to 0.5 speed, which is really nice. So now we're back on the home page of this video, and I want to show you another awesome feature of this website. So I can go to this orange button here and click download transcript, and it will download the transcript of this video in Arabic, which is super nice because you can save this, you can print this out and take notes on it. And even better, you can download full text and you will get a document of the captions in both English and in Arabic for the video, which is super, 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 super amazing. Again, you can save it, you can print it out and take notes. So you can really use these videos on this website as a study tool. Like this is a really, really great study tool. And as you can see, there are numbers. So each video is broken up into different segments. So if we go back to the video and I click play, you can see here that it's 0 out of 16. So basically I can go to different parts of the video and I fast forward and click different parts, and it'll tell you what part you're on. So this is part 10 out of 16. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll come back and okay, I know I'm on part 10 out of 16. So I know I'm here. So it's really nice to keep track of as well. And please let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful. And let me know if you want me to make more videos like this where I show you other resources available online for you to progress in your Arabic learning journey. And make sure to check out some of my other videos. And remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when new videos are out. But yeah, that's basically a summary of this super awesome free resource to learn Arabic and Arabic dialects. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.